Musty Man. Okay, I got this. I can do this.
How does it smell?
Hi, Musty Man. Cross-dresser?
It smells like a closet.
Hi. Ow, ow, ow. With all the straps.
Here, I'll help you. You got it?
Hit me up.
Hold on.
Hold on, help me out.
Okay, I see you. Woo! I'll date.
Jennifer in there don't have no boobs.
Can I date you now? I'm down to get with you now. Yeah! Ew, this is all fucking.
That's gone. You're back, faggot.
Hey, I don't have one.
Your
Yeah, here's this one.
That's fine.
Say hi.
I don't say hi.
Say bye.
I don't say bye.
Anyway.
You wish you had some shit like that, you feel me?
It's pretty cute.
I know, right? I think I'm gonna come across this.
Can you dance for me?
You don't want it.
I do.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit!
No! Woo! Sorry I can't shuffle or do the jerk, but hit me up.
What's your number?
I don't have a phone. I'm just kidding. What if the cop? What if I seriously went to jail right now? Like, sir, can I please take off my shirt, please? Can you get the camera off, please?
It's been off you. You are not that cool.
Dude, seriously?